conversation in the academic world or around the very reason we're in this room is actually moving from a conversation of human flourishing to a conversation of community flourishing. What does it look like when communities flourish? Because in flourishing communities, individuals will. And it's what is done to those who find themselves in the margins that give more indicator to flourishing than almost anything else. And at the end of the day, I think we'll be a better community because of it. We're not working in silos. The question is, are we just going to remain faithfully present to where we are? And I think this route proves that to be true for our university community to be more actively involved in this conversation. Because at the end of the day, we're a university that believes we have a responsibility to our neighbors, and we have a responsibility to see them as our equal, and helping this community to see literally the people down the street as their equal in the way in which we live life together. Well, makes me excited to work.